What's up, guys? How's it going? So, oh, my phone's blowing up again. Why does my phone keep blowing up every time I just start these videos? Anyways, something just came in the mail. My girlfriend just bought me something, and it came in the mail, and I was just like so overly excited for it, so I decided to open it beforehand. But I'm gonna do an unboxing video of this item, and it's gonna be epic. I'm sitting in my workspace right now, and it's kind of messy, so I don't really want to show you guys the mess that's on my desk. Alright, so don't mind the background screen. I was watching Outer Banks. I have seen it already. I'm just watching on rerun. But this is it. My girlfriend got me a GoPro Hero 7 Black. So yeah, I'm gonna start opening it right now. Alright, so I will start opening this. I kind of ripped it a little over here on the corner, but that's okay. I'm still trying to figure out how exactly you open this. I don't want to rip the box apart. Oh, there's a little tab right here. Duh. Right here, this blue line, pull, and then it opens. I don't have nails, so I can't really, oh, never mind. Ooh, this is what the Hero 7 looks like. Not gonna lie, guys, the last time I've had a GoPro in my hands was like years ago, and we're talking like GoPro Hero 3 Black Edition, like major years ago. It's pretty cool. Some informational literature. What else is in here? You got a battery. Look at that. It's a cute little battery. I don't know if it comes with one or two. It probably just comes with one, honestly. And then here we have the USB-C cord charger, or like, I guess the charger. And then we have a adhesive mount right here. And then we have the GoPro itself, which I am trying to figure out how to remove. Interesting. So now these GoPros have this some sort of like rubber guard to protect it against like from quick releasing, if that makes any sense. But that's pretty cool. So all you do is just remove this rubber tab and then you pinch the edges together. But yeah, that is dope. But yeah, this is the coolest thing ever. Honestly, GoPro Hero cameras are like by far the coolest cameras in the history of cameras. Super big thanks and shout out to my girlfriend for the awesome camera. I love you, baby. And now, time to play around with it. Alright, peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next video.